Hello friends and welcome back to Quiz Factory. In today's video, we're going to try our luck by playing this popular challenge. Choose one button, yes or no. We have prepared 35 questions and you have 10 seconds to choose one button, yes or no. If you're ready, please subscribe to our channel and let's get started. Do you want to meet this person? I've always wanted to meet PewDiePie. Would you dance to this music? That song is Bloody Mary.
I'll dance, dance, dance with my hands above my head.
Would you watch this movie alone? It's the Super Mario Bros. Movie. Do you want to live in this house? That is the White House, where the President of the United States lives and works. Would you remove this app from your phone? Would you wear this outfit at prom? Do you want to visit this place? That is the Amazon forest, the largest tropical forest in the world. Do you want to play this video game? Candy Crush Saga. It's a very interesting game. Would you buy this car? It's a Porsche. Do you want to meet this movie character? Can you spend 1 week without this? Can you live without your smartphone? Would you like to watch this Disney cartoon? It's The Lion King. Would you dance to this music?
Yes.
Would you eat this? Pizza crust leftover. Do you want a new phone? It's an old phone. Do you want to go there on vacation? A haunted hotel. Do you want to offer him food? Do you choose to offer him food? Would you like to try this drink? Fresh lemonade without sugar. Can you drink it? Do you have this on the phone? Do you accept this gift? A box of instant noodles. Do you like to do this? Would you like to become a housewife? Would you go to bed at this time? Would you give this to someone in need? It's a very big mansion. Do you want to have this room at your home? A movie theater. I really like it. What about you? Would you break this for $100? It's an iPhone 14 Pro. Do you like this snack? These French fries are so delicious. Would you like to play football with him? Would you like to swim here? It's the Dead Sea. Do you want to travel alone in this place? That is the Everest Mountain. Do you want to try driving this transport? Do you accept the challenge? Call your lover and say goodbye. Would you like to be this character? I've always wanted to be Iron Man. What about you? Will you go there tomorrow? Would you take care of him? A cute puppy. He is so cute. Would you invite him to your birthday? Detective Conan. Which choice surprised you the most in this challenge? Please leave your answer in the comments to let us know. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the Quiz Factory channel for more fun challenges like this, and I'll see you in the next video.